In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix call screening not showing or working on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your settings. Now, scroll all the way down, head over to the option Apps. Now from the list of apps, find Phone and launch it. Once you're in this page, scrolling down, you're going to find the option of call screening. If the option is not available over here, what you will need to do is head back. Go to the main page of settings, click on General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your software to its latest version. Then you can head back. Now scroll down and head over to the option Language and Region. Now click on the option Region. Now select the region either United States or United Kingdom, whichever country that has the language English. Once you change the region, tap Apply. Your iPhone will restart to apply new settings. After your phone restarts, you can go back to Settings, Phone. Now you should see the option of call screening. That's it. If call screening was missing before, it should be available now. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.